Today, we are diving into the world of livestock rearing, focusing on two important species, Bos taurus and Capra hircus. Understanding their care and management is a key to successful farming that supports livelihoods, food security, and sustainable agriculture. Cattle and goat has an equal contribution to sustainable agriculture, providing essential products such as milk, meat, and other byproducts. Before we delve into the topic of management of these livestock species, let us have a quick review of the total population of each of the two. According to the Philippine Statistics Authority of 2025, the cattle population declined by 1.9% to 2.52 million heads from 2.58 million in 2023. In goat production as of 2025, estimated at 3.46 million heads being led by smallholder farmers, which raised 92.2% of the total population. These practices aim to maximize growth, reproduction, and production of meat and milk and other byproducts while maintaining animal welfare and supporting the livelihoods of the farmers and rural communities. According to the Bureau of Agriculture and Fisheries Standards in 2019, animal husbandry involves care, breeding, and management of livestock to ensure their health, productivity, and sustainability.
Calf rearing is the process of raising young calves from birth to weaning. There are 5 C's in calf rearing. First, colostrum. Colostrum is the first milk produced by the cow. It contains immunoglobulins which protects young calves from any infectious diseases. There's an easiest way to remember the best colostrum feeding method, and that is colostrum 1-2-3 rule. Rule number 1. Use colostrum from the first milking for the dairy cows. Rule number 2. Give colostrum within 2 hours from the calf's birth. Rule number 3. Give at least 3 liters of colostrum. But what if young calves are poor and weak drinkers? Well, stomach tubulin is an efficient and effective method of getting colostrum into the cow. But be extra careful because improper technique leads to severe injuries. Second C is the calorie. Young calves need sufficient energy to maintain their growth and health. In fact, young calves need 2,400 calories daily to maintain their weight. After the phase of colostrum, young calves can transition to milk replacer. Leafy hay are being introduced after 4 weeks, and around 9 weeks, milk gradually reduced. Rations may include chopped grasses or hay. Also, provide fresh and clean water at all times. Third C is cleanliness. Maintaining hygiene is a must in order to prevent the spread of disease. This includes clean maternity pens, clean feeding equipment, and well-ventilated housing. Remember, well-ventilated housing prevents ammonia build-up. In addition, adequate space is a must, approximately 1.5 square meters. Also, provide fresh calf starter or milk replacer and water every day. The better the hygiene, the less the bug burden. Fourth C is comfort. Just like us, calves want to feel warm and cozy. If the bedding is wet, the calves will be wet, shivering, and become compromised. In order for a calf to be healthy, it needs to be comfortable. Comfort for a calf is being well bedded, warm, and in a properly ventilated area. The last C in calf rearing is consistency. Consistency in handling, feeding, and management is crucial for a calf development. It includes consistent milk replacer, consistent water temperature, consistent bedding and housing conditions. Changes in routine can cause stress, leading to sick calves.
What is kid rearing? When we talk about kid rearing, it is a process of raising young goats known as kid. This includes feeding, providing shelter, managing their health, and ensure their overall well-being.
In raising a healthy goat kids, it requires meticulous attention to housing and hygiene. A clean, dry, and well-ventilated shelter is paramount, shielding young goats from harsh weather and disease. Adequate space within the shelter prevents overcrowding, which can cause stress and facilitate disease transmission. Ineffective feeding management in goat kids hinges in two critical phases, the colostrum and milk feeding. Administrating colostrum within the first few hours of life is vital, capitalizing on the newborn's peak ability to absorb essential antibodies. An adequate amount, typically 10% of the kid's body weight, should be provided in multiple feedings. High-quality colostrum, characterized by its thick, yellowish appearance, indicates a high concentration of these protective antibodies.
Now, we were going to tackle about the new technology applied on calves and kids. One of the things is focuses on PCL, Precision Livestock Farming. It utilizes the sensors, data analysis, and GPS to monitor animal health, behavior, and pasture's condition in a real time. Examples of sensors are wearable sensors, which is the AirTags, accelerometers, and the tracking collars. These sensors can track the movements and the activity level to detect issues like lameness or change health status. Let's move forward to the nutrition and feeding. The examples technology here is the automated feeders. This technology provides precise nutrition based on individual animals' need, improving growth and health. Another example of technology and physiological monitoring device is the devices like infrared thermography that can measure the temperature of the goat and calves. Second is the Roman boluses that can detect the early diseases, and also the microchip.
Importance of rearing. First, providing a source of foods and income for communities. Second, improving crop yields and animal productivity. Third, supporting conservation efforts for endangered species. Fourth, promoting sustainable agriculture practices. Then lastly, generating employment opportunities and contributing to economic growth.
Calf rearing is a critical process that requires attention to detail to ensure the health and well-being of young calves. The 5 C's, colostrum, calories, cleanliness, comfort, and consistency are essential for raising healthy calves. Providing high-quality colostrum, sufficient calories, maintaining cleanliness, ensuring comfort, and establishing a consistent routine are crucial for calf development.
By focusing on the 5 C's, farmers can set their goals for a healthy production life. Remember, a little extra care in the beginning pays off with a stronger, healthier herd. Take care of your calves today for a healthier herd tomorrow.